As you guys know, products are everything, and I never get tired of talking about them. In this video, I'm sitting down with Terri Tomlinson, a 30-year makeup artist veteran, as well as the creator of the Flesh Tone Color Wheel, and she's sharing her products that she can't live without. One of my favorite things to talk about. Products.
We're all junkies.
Yes, I know. That's like the worst when you're working with a lot of different makeup artists and then you finish the job and you spend your whole paycheck on all of the other products
like, what
that you
is in
suddenly
your kit?
need. Yes. I want to know about the top products, like your favorites, your holy grails.
Okay. First of all, I need to preface that by saying that I have my own private label line. So obviously I love the products that I bring in for that line. So you're going to see a couple of those. I have condensed my kit down so small that I don't carry nearly as much as I used to. And so I really like to find products that will do a lot of things. So I'm into multifunction, super easy to manipulate stuff. So the first product I want to talk to you about is by Decium, and it is called Blur Cream.
I've never heard of this.
Okay, it's the coolest stuff. So it is part of the Hyaluronide line, which I believe is all about hyaluronic acid. And actually it's called HD Blur, not Blur Cream. See, I gave it its own name. It's almost like a primer, but I use it on all my men and all my men's grooming. And it softens the look of pores and redness and the harshness that you see on a lot of men's faces without putting any pigment or makeup on them. So it gives you like a diffused little blur.
Yeah.
And then I can powder on top of it. I can do a little concealing if I need. But it has become my #1 men's grooming product.
Wow.
I love it. I can paint it on. And I can tell, some men are fussy about makeup, especially if they're not in the industry. And I can tell them this is a pigmentless treatment product that is just going to make your skin look nice, but there's no makeup involved.
Wow.
And they're like, ooh, I like, I don't want makeup. And
Right.
see the difference?
What?
Can you see can you tell?
can see the difference.
It's the coolest stuff. It gives you a soft matte finish.
Oh my
You don't see the pores as much.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need to buy that. That's
I'm sure you can use it as a primer too, but I just put it on men. I've never used it as a primer, but I am sure you can. This is, I know, right?
It's so good.
It is
And no
so
one
good.
knows about it.
I know.
It's crazy.
So this is HD Fluid. It's produced by MAC Pro Paris, and it's part of my private label line. So it is my liquid foundation. I was in Paris, I think it was in 2014, and I went and visited the MAC Pro store and met with the owner. And he was like, "Oh, Terri, you should have a line." And I said, "No, there's so much makeup out there."
Right.
And so we spent a couple of hours together, and he showed me his line, and I was really interested in the Fard cream, which they're famous for. And he gave me some things to play with, and I shoved them in my suitcase. And when I got home 3 weeks later, I tried the liquid makeup that he gave me. And the second I put it on my face, I said, "I'm going to have my own line."
Yeah.
It is the most beautiful liquid foundation I've ever used.
Yeah.
And you agree, right?
I agree. 100%. Yeah, I have 6 shades in my kit.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
So it's a hybrid. It's a silicone-based foundation, but it has a tiny bit of oil in it. And so what that does is it gives you, I guess, what you would call kind of an elasticity to it. Mm-hmm. But it looks very, very velvety on the skin, but it'll wear for 10 hours, 12 hours. Mm-hmm. And it looks like skin.
Right.
And my colors are good. This is my #3, which is my best seller. It's kind of a light beige with a warm yellow-orange undertone.
Okay. I love how you even describe color. I'm like, yeah, it's #3. But that was just, shows how much your color theory and everything intertwined.
And what you get with a little bit of a warm yellow-orange undertone is it gives you blue correction, right? Because orange corrects blue. So if you have a tiny bit of orange in your foundation, then it'll correct freckles and little spots.
Wow.
So it gives you better coverage.
I'm like, I'm going to need one of those.
Yeah, it's my favorite color. In my line still, this is Rescue Palette. This is the famous Fard cream from MAC Pro. And I compiled this little gem, and it is my color theory box. So basically, there's nothing you cannot do, almost nothing that you cannot do out of this palette. It has your primaries, it has 3 skin tones in it, black, white, and a gold for shearing things out. So I could take this on a job with some powder and that's all I would need, and some brushes.
Wow.
So it's amazing, and the texture is so nice. And you can blend this into any other liquid makeup to adjust. It's like your rescue palette. You know, if you need something, it'll come to the rescue. So I love this guy.
Yeah, and if y'all want more information on color theory, Terri has some videos. Definitely do her webinar because you can do it anywhere in the world.
That's true, and they're always up on makeuptrainingacademy.com, and you can register for them right there. And then I have my line on makeup101.com, so you can visit and see all the different shades I have in my foundation. And I do offer a pro discount. My last favorite product is Aqua Black by Makeup Forever, which is this guy. And I cheat with mine a little bit, so I take mine and I add Aqua Seal to it, and then I stir it up.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it makes it like moussey. Is moussey a word?
What? Yes, it is a word.
It makes it fluffier.
I've had that for years. Aqua Seal?
Yes. So what happened was I think I didn't put my insert back into one of my little jars.
Yes.
And it got really dry, and someone at the store told me to just put some Aqua Seal in it. And so I put like 10 drops of Aqua Seal in it, and I stirred it up with a, stainless steel spatula, and it got really fluffy. And it's got the most beautiful texture. So every time I buy a jar now, I put 10 or 12 drops of Aqua Seal in it, and I stir it up, and it makes it more, instead of being such a waterproof cream that dries, it gives you more dry time, and it's a little more wet, I think.
Whoa.
So it's like Aqua Black Whip.
All right.
But I use it for everything, like, any kind of smoky eye, any kind of eyelining work I use. If I need something to be really black, I'll use it. And I love the black in my Rescue palette, and it is very, very black. But if I need something to stay around the eyes, I will always go here.
You can do anything.
Oh, yeah. It still dries down waterproof, but it just gives you a little more time, I think.
That's
my secret ingredient.
Amazing. Okay, I've talked about this on my channel before, this product, and I've had it in my kit for 4 years.
And it's great.
Yeah.
Right? But when you mix in the Aqua Seal, it becomes great.
That's amazing. Okay, I'm going home and trying that first thing.
Yes. And I do that with my Rescue palette too. I always blend it with a little Aqua Seal if I want it to wear, or if I want to use it around the eyes.
What?
Yeah, it just makes it wear, and then it's waterproof.
Oh my gosh.
Gotta play with it.
Absolutely. Yes. Thank you so much for
You're
sharing your
welcome.
products and for hanging out with us this month. I'm super stoked.
It's been super fun, you guys.
Yes.
Thank you.
If you guys want more information about the Terri Tomlinson Makeup Studio as well as the Flesh Tone Color Wheel, I'm going to be linking it all in the description box below. Don't forget to check out the other parts of this interview, which are on the screen now. And if you want more tips and tricks, definitely check out Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.